Hi guys, go ahead and draw these triangles again and these formulas again. So keep in mind though, when it says the output force, so you could put this in a triangle form as well. Okay, so you will have your mechanical advantage here and then force input here, and notice it's the same thing as effort force. Okay, and this is force output right here. Force resistance FR is equal to force output, and your FE is equal to force input. Okay, and then here when you have this input distance, output distance, let's make sense of this formula in terms of this triangle as well. The input distance is same as the effort distance, and the output distance is same as the resistance distance. Okay, all right, now let's do this problem right here. It says an axe used to split wood is driven into a piece of wood a distance of 3 centimeters. So you are the one who's driving the axe into the wood. So that's your input distance, and that's going to be 3.0 centimeter. And your mechanical advantage is 0.85. Okay. And notice you are looking for output distance. Okay. Or the resistance distance. Okay. So for your output distance, the formula, if it helps you, I'm going to go ahead and draw a triangle, another triangle here. These are the same things, okay? Basically, this is going to be your input distance right here, mechanical advantage here, and your output distance right here. Notice I got my batteries for my pen back, so it's really, really cool to use it now. All right. Output distance is going to be, cover the output distance, all right, and it's input distance over mechanical advantage. So that is going to be 3.0 centimeter over 0.85. Put that in your calculator. Let's see. I should have had my calculator handy. We can do that now. What's the big deal? Here we go. So 3 divided by 0.85, it gives us 3.529. I'm going to round it up to 3.53 centimeter, and that's your output distance. Let's look at the next one right here. Okay, a mover, let me create more space for myself. Okay, a mover uses a ramp to load a crate of nails onto a truck. Okay, the crate, which must be lifted 1.4, so this is my height right here, from the street to the bed of the trucks, is pushed along the length of the ramp. This is the ramp, 4.6 meters along, and friction between the ramp and crate can be ignored. What is the mechanical advantage? So the mechanical advantage, so basically your input distance is, this whole thing is your input distance, and your output distance is this right here. So let's go back and look at our formula. Your formula for input distance, your mechanical advantage, is going to be input distance, or remember it's the same thing as dE divided by dr, effort distance divided by resistance distance. So input distance divided by output distance. Okay, so it's going to be input distance divided by output distance, which is equal to, input is the work that you're doing, okay, on the ramp right here, 4.6 meter, okay, and the output is 1.4 meter. Once again, get your calculator out, and this is going to be 4.6 divided by 1.4, and you get 3.285. Rounded is going to be 3.23. Notice no units for mechanical advantage, so that's your answer. All right, I hope this helps. Let me know if there are any other questions you don't understand. Thanks.